Hello everyone. So in this video, I would like to show you how to do expand brackets, single brackets, double brackets, and three brackets. Let's start on the first one. So we will do 5 times x and then 5 times 3. So you multiply the one outside times this and then times that. 5 times x is 5x. 5 times 3 is 15. Your answer is just 5x plus 15. Now, for this question here, 5 times negative x and then 5 times negative 3. So, 5 times negative x is negative 5x. 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. And that's your final answer. Now, for the next question, can you please try it and comment your answer? What you will do is you will multiply the 5 here and multiply the 5 there. One small thing you need to know is that negative 5 times negative 3 is going to be positive 15. Give it a try and comment your answer. I'll do one more question. This one here. So, we'll do the same thing. 5 times negative 5 times 2 and negative 5 times negative 3. So, 5 times 2 is 10. So, negative 5 times 2 is negative 10. So, it's negative 10x. And then we'll do negative 5 times negative 3k. Negative times negative makes positive, so we'll just do 5 times 3, which is 15, and then bring this nice k, so it's 15k. So your answer is negative 10x, this one, plus 15k. And that's it for the one bracket. Expanding double brackets. Let's do the first question. We will use FOIL. What's FOIL? F is for front, O is for out. Front is just the ones in the beginning, x and x. Out are x and 3, they are outside. And then we multiply the inside, which is 5 and x. And finally we multiply the last, which is 5 and 3. So for the front, we have x times x, which is x squared. For the out is x and 3, so it's 3x. For the inside, it's 5 and x, so 5 times x is 5x. And for the last, it's 5 and 3, so it's just 15. That means your final answer with this part is x squared plus 3x plus 5x plus 15. And that's part of the answer. To get the final answer, look at this 3x and 5x. They are like terms. It's like 3 bananas plus 5 bananas. So it's just 8 bananas. So your answer is x squared plus 8x plus 15. And that's it. Let's try this question. Oh, that's your turn. Try it and comment, please. I'll do one more question of this. This one here. So we'll do front, so 2x times negative 4x is going to be 2 times negative 4 is negative 8, and x times x is x squared, so it's negative 8x squared. And then outside, the 2x times negative 3k. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6, x times k is xk, so it's negative 6xk. So inside, 5k times negative 4x. 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. K times x is negative is xk. So it's negative 20 xk. Last, 5k times negative 3k. These two. So 5 times negative 3 is negative 15. K times k is k squared, so it's negative 15k squared. So now we need to combine like terms. Have you noticed the negative 6xk and negative 20xk look alike? So we'll combine them together. So we'll have negative 8x squared. Negative 6 minus 20 is negative 26xk, and then minus 15k squared. And that's your answer for this question. Now, triple brackets. So triple brackets is like two brackets and then another bracket. What we will do is we'll just do these two first. Whatever the answer, we multiply it here. We did this question in the first part of the video, and we got x squared plus 8x plus 15. So we now just multiply this by x plus 5. So we start by the x squared, we multiply it times the x, and then we multiply it times the 5. So we'll get x squared times x and x squared times 5. X squared times x is x cubed, and x squared times 5x is 5x squared. So I just multiply it here, and I just multiply it there. So x squared times x is x cubed, x squared times 5 is 5x squared. We do the same for the 8x. We multiply the 8x times x and the 8x times 5. So 8x times x is 8x squared. 8x times 5 is 40x. And again, we do the 15. We do 15 times x, which is 15x, and 15 times 5, which is 75. That's very good. We still didn't finish because we need to combine like terms. Have you noticed the 5x squared and 8x squared looks the same? And then 40x and 15x are also the same. So your answer will be x cubed plus 5x squared plus 8x squared is 13x squared, and 40x plus 15x is 55x plus 75. And that's all for this video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe so the video appears to more people. And thank you for following. Bye.